Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm the founder of Socious and a Cardano ambassador and also interim constitutional committee member. So today I would like to present our proposal for Fund 12. We have one proposal. It's for accelerating Atala Prism's mass adoption. And there's a longer title, but basically we want to bring Atala Prism to the general public. So we're trying to tackle two issues. First one is about seed phrases. They are hindering mass adoption. Second is that it's difficult to integrate SSI, self-sovereign identity solutions, without coding skills. So for the first problem, what are the issues with seed phrases? So just going back to the origin of seed phrases, this is about saving private key in a human readable manner, right? So private keys are very complex, as you can see, and it's difficult to write it down as a human being. And and if you store it digitally on a computer, if your computer gets hacked, you lose all your money. And that's why they invented BIP 39 to allow backup using human readable words like 12 seed phrases or 24-word seed phrase to note with paper and pencil so that even if your computer gets hacked, your funds are safe. However, it is still a single point of failure. So if it gets stolen, you lose it, then you can lose your assets. And also for the beginners, it is extremely difficult to manage seed phrases and it's daunting and it's hindering mass adoption. That's why there are alternative recovery methods. So one example is social recovery. For example, there is a Argent wallet, which allows to recover with 3 out of 5 guardians. And another way is multi-factor authentication and like file-based recovery. So doc.io or Zengo wallet use this method. So a combination of file backup, password, and email. And what we propose is very similar to doc.io. So it's a file recovery plus password. So we are moving from a single point of failure to two-factor authentication. And this is, we've already spoken with IOG's Atala team, and it's been approved to contribute to the existing open source repository for Atala Prism SDK repository. And at the end of this project, we will have open source repository so that any projects can use this SDK. And basically, they can choose which recovery method they want to use. At the moment, there's only one recovery method, which is seed phrase. But with this project, we add another option, which is to recover through a file and a password. And Socious, what we already have Socious wallet available on iOS and Android. And this wallet will also have this functionality to back up a file and then protect it with a password. And this will allow the general public to handle DIDs and VCs and it will increase Cardano users. So the second problem we're trying to solve is the fact that it's very difficult to integrate self-sovereign identity solutions without very advanced coding knowledge. So what we're trying to provide is basically Stripe for SSI. So no code SSI platform allowing anyone to issue and verify VCs. So for example, in Japan, cigarette companies are required to verify the age of the buyers. And especially they require the buyers to upload a driver's license scan. And this is required by law. However, the risk is that their personal information can leak from their database, and that could lead to identity theft. With SSI, the buyers need to submit only the relevant information proving that they're at least 20 years old. And so basically using zero knowledge proofs, and they can protect their personal information. However, implementing this system requires advanced coding knowledge. And that's where we come in. So we provide this Stripe-like no-code platform for SSI, and they can create zero knowledge proof requests for example, 20 plus years old, or provide your address using our platform. And then what they need to do is just copy paste the code snippets to their website so that they can integrate that into their business model. So that's it. We have this one proposal, and we would love to get your support. Please vote for Socious. You can search for it by just typing in Socious on the Catalyst voting app. And thank you so much for listening, and see you next time.